Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Zilliqa coin. Today I want to share with you how the price line of Zilliqa has formed a very big bullish reversal pattern, and with that the price line has also formed another harmonic bullish reversal sub pattern on the smaller time frame chart. And I've also shared this pattern at the Patreon as well, and if you would like to support me here, then I've also shared the link in the video's description because I am also sharing the different trading ideas here on the daily basis you will find. Okay, first of all, I want to show you this chart. This is the daily time frame chart, and here we can see that the price line after the month of November 2020 was very bullish, and the price line also formed an up channel, and up till the month of May 2021 the price line was moving in this up channel, and you can see that it was moving very well between the resistance and the support of this channel. Here for a while the price line broke down the support but reversed back inside this channel, and after getting rejected by this resistance level the price action again broke down this channel, and here moved at the very strong support of 6 cents, and I'll show you why this is a very strong support. Now at the same time, while the price action moved up and moved all the way down here at the 6 cent support level, at the same time the price action has also formed a very big bullish bad pattern. Okay, here we can see that this is the buying zone and this is the initial leg. The initial leg is not so much clear, therefore I am using the help of another pattern to confirm that this is a really bullish reversal move, because here we can see that this seems to be the continuation of this leg. In that situation it can work as a guard lay, but for the guard lay the price line needs to move down after this initial leg. It should be moved down 78.6%, between 61.8% to 78.6% of this length, but here we can see that it has moved down 53.2%, 0.532 Fibonacci retracement level. Therefore it is not a perfect guard lay, however it can work as a bullish bad move if we take this leg from here. And at the same time we can see that on the daily time frame chart it has also formed another perfect bad move, and this is the bullish potential reversal zone of this bad. Now at the same time we are also having this 6 cent support, and I was telling you that I'll show you why it is very strong support, this 6 cent. You can see that previously here it has been working as a support for the long time period. We can see that here it has been working as a support here and here and here as well, and when the price line was very strong bullish, broke down this channel, then here we had a very strong bounce from 6 cents approximately to 15 cents, and then the price action again moved down at the 6 cent support, and you can see that again had another bounce, and still it is moving above this 6 cents. So it had been working previously here in December 2020 as a support, and in January 2021 as a support here for the long time period, and now it is working as a support again and again. Therefore we can set this level as our stop loss while we are trading this pattern, this smaller pattern, or this bigger pattern. Okay, if we are trading this smaller pattern, then our buying range starts from 7.2 cents and goes up to 6.9 cents, approximately at 7 cents. That is the maximum extent of this buying zone. And the sell targets, as per the Fibonacci sequence of this bullish bat, can be 7.9 cents to 9 cents. So it is approximately up to 30% potential trading idea. Now, if we set our sell targets according to this bat pattern, that can be for the long-term targets, then we can set as per the Fibonacci sequence of this bat from A to D leg. I've placed this Fibonacci tool from 0.382, approximately from 14 cents to 0.786 Fibonacci projection. That goes approximately up to 21.5 cents. I will definitely share the complete calculated targets as per the Fibonacci sequence of this bat at the Patreon in the short while. And if you are already my member there, then you will find those targets there. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the video. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And if you would like to support me at the Patreon, then I've also shared the link in the video description. You can find there. Take care. Goodbye.